Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday, September 3rd. A new month. It's been a minute. I haven't seen you guys since last month. I haven't seen you since last month. Where y'all been? What have y'all been doing? How's it going? Who had a good weekend? Labor Day weekend. Anybody do some labor this weekend? Little labor, little fun, little action. What do y'all? What's going on? Oh man. Oh man. Nasdaq, what you doing, Nasdaq? What you doing? Where's the light? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. It's really early here. Really, really early. Pulling up the 15-minute chart here, we got a little bit of looks like a nice little bear flag kind of setting up here on the 15-minute chart. Couple levels to look at here. We've got the Friday low down here, 19,370 area. So 19,370 area down there. We're kind of in this little bit of a sideways channel here. We've got resistance up there, 19,680. We got stuck there yesterday. Yesterday for Labor Day, we got stuck up there. We got stuck there last week. So a lot of resistance across this 680 area for now. 680s, lots of resistance. So we are just going to have to sit back and wait and see what happens here at open. We got 10 minutes. 10 minutes till market opens. 15-minute chart right now. Man. That 3 a.m. alarm clock comes early, man. It comes early. Oh, man. Wait till market opens and they will pop it up. All right. Got it all figured out. So the pivot points are going to be weird today. The pivot points won't show up because of the market being open yesterday for that short day. So the pivot points are going to be all weird today. It always kind of happens when the market, we have those weird days. What we got for news today? Economic calendar. We got some data coming out here at we got data coming out at 9:45. Big deal data coming out at 9:45, or is that Yeah, 9:45, 10 o'clock. 9:45, 10 o'clock. I got to run to the bathroom. I haven't gone to the bathroom yet this morning. So right now, the Nasdaq holding up here. I'm going to go BRB. BRB, people. Five minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes till market opens here. All right. All right. All right. That's right. All right. Okay. Oh, man. S&P nears record high, the headline on Twitter today. Ooh. Twitter. All right now, watching here, going into open, clearly the London Open market popping up there, London Open, and then dump down to this bear flag right now. We got a lot of news coming out this morning, 9:45 news, 10 o'clock news. It's pretty much like Monday, but it's Tuesday. You know, it's like it's a weird day here. Market's only 4-day week. And we will get ready to see what happens here once it opens up. Once it open up, lots of Twitter drama over the weekend. Lots of fun on Twitter. Lots and lots of fun. Some good stuff over the weekend. Looks like I might have been the reason that Tory Trades deleted her Twitter account. I'm not sure. I was just trying to be nice. I don't know why she got so upset. She wrote on Twitter that oh my God, I'm about to completely turn things around. I'm so nervous and excited. I feel sick and have butterflies. And I wrote, so happy for you, Tory. I knew you could do it. And then she said, go fuck yourself. And I said, baby girl, why you gotta be like that? I don't know. I felt like that was very rude. I was just trying to be supportive. You know, and then now, and now her Twitter account's, it's just gone now. Wow. I thought I was being supportive. You know, I thought I was being supportive. I don't know. Clearly not. I don't know. God. All right, less than a minute till market opens right now. Are we just going to dump straight down? That's the $1 million question, huh? $1 million question here. We got a $1 million question, everybody. We need to know. I need answers. You know, the answer. I need questions. You know, I need something here. Some kind of questions answered. 30 seconds, my friends. 30 seconds. And here we go. Market is now open for business. Which way are they going to go? Cotton Eye Joe. If we lose that 70 area, it should go straight down here. Let's see. Right now, the Dow trying to pop up here. Nasdaq losing 70s down there to the 50s now. That low from earlier is down there at 44s. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Through the 44s now. Took that short right there through the 70s into the 50s, and look at it. It goes all the way down there to the 40s. Dun, dun, dun. The bear flag playing out perfectly right here on the Nasdaq currently. I'll take my 20 points. I'll take my 20 points. She's still going. I will take my 20 points. Nasdaq still stuck here below the 70s for now. Markets just sell, sell, sell currently. Nasdaq just continuing to sell on down here for now. That bear flag played out perfectly there on the 15-minute chart. We got 19,400 out there next. $19,400 here. And then that low from Friday down there at the 370s or so. Got these numbers coming out at 9:45, 10 o'clock this morning. Get that 400 break coming up here. There's that 19,400s now. This bear flag playing out perfectly. Oh my Lord. Lordy, lordy. You got that 370, 360 area down there. Nasdaq just continuing to dump straight down. Look at this. That 470 break played out pretty nicely, huh? Played out pretty nice. All right, so now we're testing that, trying to test that Friday low where we bounced at on Friday now. So see if this Nasdaq finds some support down here off of Friday's low now. Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. We got news coming out here at 9:45. We got news at 10 a.m. this morning. Right now, the Nasdaq bouncing around here at the 19,400s for now. That big sell-off here at open, that bear flag playing out there perfectly on the 15-minute chart. Look at that bear flag playing out there real nicely. We saw that 15-minute chart, the bear flag before the market opened here, and that really did just move straight on down there, right there to the Friday low now. So trying to figure out what the next play is here. We haven't taken out that low all the way from Friday yet, so gonna see if what this market's gonna do here. $19,400 right there. Key level right now. The bears, the bulls battling it out. See if we can have a little bear flag breakdown to the downside here one more time. One more time. We got news coming out here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the news. That 374 area looking like it wants to get taken out here. $374 is getting taken out straight down there into the 60s. Ugh. 4 minutes. 4 minutes till the news. Oy. Oh, man. That thing sucks so bad. Oh, God. All right, we took out the Friday low now. We got news coming out here in 2 minutes. Will this be a chance for a move back up here now? The pivot points are going to be messed up today because of the yesterday, the market being a half day or whatever you want to call it. So that always kind of, the pivot points always get weird whenever there's a half day. I don't know why. I don't know why. Ba-dum, 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 ba-da, 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 ba-ba-boo. Ooh. Nice. Micro attack is short at 19,380. Oh, God. Oh, it hurts me. It's the funniest shit I've ever seen. Oh, man. These guys, they're good. I like it. I like it. We got less than a minute here till the news comes out. Oh, good. Here comes the news in less than a minute. Who would short right now before the news comes out either way? I don't know. Waiting for this news to come out here. 9:45 news, 22 seconds. Here it goes. The news is out. There's no delay. If there's a delay, make sure you refresh your stream. It's not me. It's you guys. Refresh the stream, guys. It's not me. You got to just hit the refresh button on the stream. There's no 5-minute delay. What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, God. He's on market replay. Yes. How did you know? You can see the time on the bottom there. 9:47. What are you talking about? News is at 10 a.m., not 49. There was news at 9:45. What are you talking about? Why do people always got to argue with me? Why? I don't get it. Why do they always got to argue with me? Patrick, the news is at 10. Well, there was also news at 9:45. See? 9:45. News. God, I can't. If you all would like, there's a YouTube channel called Top Step TV. You can go watch them. You can go watch them right now. They're live. Check them out. They're losing money live. You can check them out. They're awesome. I would definitely go check them out if I was you. They are short from the 380s. Oh, God. Oh. Guys, listen, chat. Listen up, chat. I don't care about all the little nameless people on the internet who think that they're a better day trader than me. All I care about is making money. Oh, God. Everybody on the internet's better than Patrick Wieland. Don't you know that? Come on, guys. Everybody is better than me. I don't know why it's even a question. Everybody's so much better. Everybody's so much better at trading than Patrick Wieland. It's all good. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with living with the idea that everybody is better than me on the internet. All right, right now, Nasdaq trying to push back up here. A little bit of a reversal set up here. If we hold this Friday low, we took out Friday's low. Will they try to push it back up here now? Get up there through the 25s there next. We got the 15-minute range right now. 15-minute range, the opening 15-minute range here. Oh. If you guys took that short at open through the 470s, I mean, that was a win-win chicken dinner right there. That was a real nice one. That was a real nice one there. Real nice one. That was a real nice one right there, boys. Oh, yeah. Did we get the 15-minute break next through the 380s there? Looking weak once again. Nasdaq down here at the lows. Nasdaq down at the lows. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. We got more news coming out here in 7 minutes. 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news coming up here. This NASDAQ wants to dump. She wants it lower. She wants to dump it right through the lows here. Look at it just hanging out down there. She wants to dump it. Still dumping. Beautiful. Straight down there. 333s now. Don't worry. Top step is long on the ES at the 5608s. Oh, God, I can't. I can't. Oh, man. Five minutes till news comes out here. Nasdaq trying to push back up here once again. Let's see if this Nasdaq's going to sell through here again. MP is literally losing it. Oh, man. We got news coming out here in 3 minutes. Ugh. Oh, man. These guys. I can't. All right, so here we go. Nasdaq coming up here. We got news. News. There's the news. There's the news. Nasdaq dumping right there. Oh, man. These guys are too much. All right, Nasdaq right back up there again after taking out that low one more time. Oh, lordy. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, Nasdaq. Why did Tory Trades get mad at me? I don't know, man. I thought I thought we were, I thought we were friends. I thought we were friends. Oh, Tori, why can't we be friends again? Oh, if you're just now tuning in to all the fun. So over the weekend, it was pretty funny because we had Mike Up Attack put up a poll. He put a poll on his Twitter to see who was a better trader, either Patrick Wieland or Rips. And I said, hey, instead of doing a poll, why don't we do some motherfucking money? Let's put some money on the line. So put $100,000 on the, I don't know what that is. Don't look at that. I was like, hey, let's put $100,000 on the line, man. I'm down, I'll put $100,000 up. Patrick Wieland will put $100,000 up, but they don't want the heat, though. So I said, basically, let's get rid of the poll. $100,000 bet that I mop the floor with Rips in a head-to-head trading showdown and pretty much every other idiot on Top Step TV. But they don't want the heat. They don't want it. They don't want it. They don't want it. Also, big news over the weekend, Apex paying out one trader $1.8 million. This was pretty funny. Somebody commented saying that, what's the chance that Apex, maybe they made up the person? Maybe the person that they made up isn't real. I'm like, well, that's a very low chance, actually. So, very interesting. All right. So, right now, Nasdaq just holding down here at the lows. We got that 15-minute range, back into the 15-minute range now. That bear flag at open playing out beautifully, absolutely beautiful here, the bear flag. And looks like, let's see. We broke through Friday's low. We've got the overnight Wednesday low. Oh, this was Thursday's low. Sorry, Thursday's low breaking through there. Friday low got broken. And then we've got this Wednesday overnight low after the NVIDIA earnings, I think, right? 19,140 area down there. So I know. Everybody on the internet is, everyone's got excuses. Everyone's got excuses. I don't know what to do here. Got the Dow, you got the ES, everything's selling off right now. Waiting for a setup. Just waiting for a setup. Jack George, are you telling me I should listen to my own advice, Jack? If you don't know what to do, wait. Good plan, Jack. Good plan. I like it. Someone said every trade that they enter, it goes against him. My advice would be to do whatever you're doing, but do the opposite. Would be probably the best plan. I would whatever you're doing, just try to do the exact opposite, and you're gonna make lots and lots of money. If every trade you enter goes against you, I would just do exactly whatever you're doing, just do the exact opposite, and you're gonna be rich. I mean, that's pretty good stats. If every trade that you enter goes against you, I would just do the exact opposite. Just wondering, in Hawaii for business or just a bit of a change? Just on vacation. I don't know why do people not take vacation? I'm just on vacation, man. I don't know why it's like people are so confused about that. I have the freedom to be able to trade wherever I can, wherever I have Wi-Fi. And my job's pretty much, I can do whatever I want. So kind of why I went to Hawaii. Are you done trading? I'm not done trading. We are just getting started. It's only 10 o'clock. Everyone's getting really excited in the chat right now. We need to relax, everybody. Calm down. Calm it down. Maybe you shouldn't talk about all the other traders in the internet. Why? Nothing wrong with a little fun banter, Trust me, if it was back in the day and we were all in the pits, I would be the same exact way. Bro, because you complain about people like Tori or Danny or Lambo Raul coming at you. I never complained about that. Who complained about that? I definitely never complained about it. What you talking about? Nasdaq trying to percolate here. Percolate. Just trying to percolate. The Bears, the Bulls battling here. The Bears, the Bulls. We're right here below the 15-minute opening range right now, so Let's see what happens. The Bears, the Bulls. We take out that 300 level there next. Looking pretty weak down here. And right through the 300s now. 19,300 breaking to the downside there. Still going lower. Still going down there to the 290s now. Alex said he's long 80 contracts. Oh, Lord. Why are you so crazy, Alex? This guy's crazy. 80 contracts long. From what level? Long from what level? This guy's crazy. Nasdaq just sitting down here at the lows right now. Not much of a reaction, just kind of grinding lower down here, 290s below that 300 level. A little reaction off the lows right now, pushing it straight back up here. This is kind of that pullback. We're just pulling back into this big move from back there. This is after that overnight move, remember, from the NVIDIA earnings last week. So we had this big move overnight and then the dump. And right now, kind of just working our way back down there. Look at how beautiful that this is the hourly chart. Look at how beautiful the hourly chart bear flag played out there at open from that 980, the 480 area we talked about there at open for the short. But well, below 470 is the low of that previous candle there, straight down. So the bear flag there really paying the bills here at open, just went absolutely straight to the ground. Straight to the ground. Straight in it. Straight in it, boys. Oh. Kind of got this trend right here, a little downtrend. Will we get this breakout potential, push back up here? If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Let's get those likes pumping up here. I'm up early for you guys, all right? I'm up early. I'm up early here. We got another bear flag playing out here. I don't know. This move down just like looks too convenient, right? And like it just looks like it's just too nice. You know, it just looks too nice. This pullback. What do you think? It's 4 a.m. here in Hawaii right now. What you talking about, Phil? It's 4 a.m. It's 4:23 in the morning here in Hawaii. I woke up at 3. What you talking about? There's no Chipotle in Hawaii. So I will not be live the rest of the week, by the way. I'm going over to Kona. I'm going over to Kona today. I'm going to fly over to Kona and go fishing for 5 days. We got a fishing tournament, marlin fishing tournament. So we're going fishing, baby. Nasdaq, if we lose that 300 area here again, should be juicy for some more downside here. They got denied. That last candle got denied pretty hard. Let's see what happens. We lose that 300 area again. Just waiting. Like I said earlier, though, this like downtrend thing that we got going on right here is like just too perfect. It's too perfect right now. It's too perfect. Getting stuck there below the 320s. Do you know Don Vaughn? No, Don Vo. I saw people talking about the whole copy trading thing, I guess. What happened with Don Vo? Nobody knows. The man of mystery, Don Vo. All right, Nasdaq popping out of this downward trend. Will we get some type of retracement back up? We had this big move down this morning and not much of a retracement back up yet here. Is the Hawaii water better than the Florida water? I don't know. Tastes the same. Tastes pretty good. Water. That water. I got the water. All right, now the $1,000,000 question is this a bear flag continuation, or are we going to reverse back up here? Looking a little bit of like a reversal. These candles on the 5-minute chart, you can see kind of like down in here are getting a little wishy-washy. I do not have the book map here in Hawaii. Everybody asking about the book map. Relax, I do not have it. I only have 2 monitors here in Hawaii, and I've kept it very streamlined. I literally have just 4 charts pulled up. What happened to the Walmart monitor? It's working now. It just seems to be working now. Nobody said nothing about last week's low. What are you talking? I said, what y'all talking about? We literally just talked about this. We literally just talked about this Wednesday move. What y'all talking about? Last Wednesday's low. Yeah, I see it. Are you fucking trolling me? Sometimes I can't figure out people are just trolling me or what. Like we just talked about this fucking idea. Adam P was right. Oh God, I can't with you guys. I can't with the chat sometimes. Oh Lord, everybody's right. Everybody's right. Everybody's right. Breaking the bear flag once again, back below that 19,300s. Looking weak here. They tried to push it up for a moment. Denied once again. See if we can take out that low from earlier, 280s. Move it right on down in there to the 270s there next. Just like that. Oh, that was too easy. I couldn't, I literally couldn't even change my screen fast enough. I couldn't even change my screen fast enough. It just dumped right to my target. Oh my. It just, oh. Oh. Oh God. Oh Lord. Bear flags, baby. Bear flags. Bear flags. Bear flags. Bear flags. The bear flags. Bear flags. Bear flags. Robert Lee paid for his course with that bear flag. Love to see it. Love to see it. Banana, banana, feet, fi, banana. Yannick got a $9,000 payout. $9,000 payout from my boy Yannick. Let's go. Love to see it. Love to see it. Love to see it. Why do you sometimes work with a 5-minute bear flag, sometimes a 2-minute, and sometimes a 1-minute? Well, I'm looking at multiple time frames, always. Always kind of changing. 2 minutes, mine kind of entry. Sometimes I'll go to the 1 minute if it's really tight. But, you know, the more that I can get confirmation. So if I start out, okay, I see there's a bear flag here on the 1 minute chart. Okay, let me look at the 2 minute chart. Yes, there's a bear flag on the 2 minute chart. Looking at the 3 minute chart. Yes, there's also a bear flag. If I go to the 5 minute chart, yes, also a bear flag. The more confirmation that I can get from multiple time frames, the better. You know, look at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart looking pretty bearish, you know? So the 80 contracts long, where'd they go? Pat, what made you draw your trend line there instead of sooner? What do you mean? I drew this right there. Do you enter before or after the break? Basically, on this type of setup, I think you got to look. It's every setup's a little different. So knowing that we had that 19,300 level, very obviously the whole number there. That's important. We want to make sure that we kind of get through that, right? We want to make sure we clear out that 19,300 level for that move down. Like as you can see here, basically shorting right as we broke below 19,300 and then covered into that 60 area. So on that type of setup, knowing that there's, a whole number 19,300, I'm waiting for that 19,300 break. Clearly I could have got in a little earlier before there, but I just didn't want it to bounce. I didn't want it to bounce off that 19,300s. Right? We don't want that bouncing off that. Patrick, do you use market orders or ask? Market orders Depends on what account I'm trading. Just depends on the account that I'm trading at the time. So that bear flag kind of playing out there. What was the risk to reward? Shorted 93s, covered at 69s with a stop. I mean, I'm pretty much just playing right into the stop there, I guess. You notice that I didn't draw your trend line where there are wicks. Is that on purpose? What do you mean? You're saying this wick right here? This wick wasn't here. I drew the trend line earlier when we were like that, and then this played out. Another bear flag. Possibly. How low can we go? I guess fuck. We going all the way down to Wednesday, my birthday low. 19,144 would be the low from the 28th, that overnight low there. I feel like it's a little overextended at this point, but sometimes the market just does exactly that and just keeps going. How do you decide which bear flag to trade? What? I mean, there's only one bear. There was only one bear flag. It wasn't really like which one. Which one? Which one? Which one? This is a really good time to be patient, people. Time to be patient. Time to be patient here. I don't really love like the slope of this right here. I feel like it wants to like try to jam back up here. Or just continue to dump, I guess. But Nasdaq just grinding back down, just grinding lower here. Grinding. Nasdaq just down. There has been no buyer stepping up here. 19,200 coming up. There's that 19,200s now. Will they bounce it here? Or moving on into the 100s next. Nvidia down. Nasdaq down. Broke below that 19,200s now. It's a bloodbath. No more bear flags. Down there are the 180s now. Getting ready for the 1050 macro. 1050 macro. Lord, that 19,300 bear flag, that was the move right there. Mm. Nasdaq just cannot figure out which way. Well, not figure out, but it can just not get any bounces here, man. I was hoping for, you know, some kind of bounce here for another bear flag set up, but she's still just bleeding out here. Just bleeding out. Kind of looking like it wants to pop back up here now. But still very much just amazing how well they're just holding this trend line to the downside on these little candles. Someone in the chat said that it doesn't look like it's trying to bounce. Okay. You right. I'm wrong. Yes, Phil. Victoria will be on the boat in Kona. What do I look for now? I look for a setup. Just need, like, if we could just push back up into here, 19,200, making a little bear flag, then it'd be like, okay, yeah, we can take this lower. But right now, it's like right there flirting with the idea of popping back up, but still wants to go lower. The world is ending with this dump. How do you trade the 15-minute opening range? Well, check out the Patrick Wieland course, and you can learn exactly how to do it. Making new lows here once again. This would be the trap. They're going to trap everybody right here. Watch. Trap them back up. They're going to trap them straight back up on this candle, right through that 90 area. Trapped him. Where's the guy in the chat earlier? It said, Patrick, it doesn't want to go up. Okay. All right. All right. You right. You right. I'm wrong. You right. You right. You right. I get it. You right. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. He was right. It did make a new low. Oh, God. Oh, God. If we can get back up there through that 19,200 area, there's a lot of room to run to the upside if they start squeezing it. So we'll see what happens here. That 19,200s. 19,200s. Getting stuck right there again at that 19,200 area right here. The high of these two candles, 206s right now. If they break above the high of these two candles, I think we go right up there to like 240s or so, huh? Little momentum, little squeezy McSqueezerson. All the shorts finally having to cover. OTT trader getting a free account and then getting it funded. Let's go. My guy. Love to see it. Love to see it. The high of that last 15-minute candle there is 31. I think like if we get this start to reverse back up, it's like up into here pretty easily. How much selling can they do? We saw they kind of trapped to the downside. Just how many more bears are going to get trapped here to get that squeeze back up? Guys, everybody asked me about Don Vo. Who the I don't yeah, I heard about it, but I don't know nothing about it. Do you have a high spec trading computer? No. I have a Mac Mini that I trade on right here in Hawaii. All right, the Nasdaq trying to get up there through the 200s now. Through the 200s now. Now Top Step's long, the market's going to crash. Oh God, why? Now they went long, it's going to crash. Another bear flag setting up here. What are the things, the topics in the course? Trading. Trading is the topic. We talk a lot about trading in the course. Mostly trading. A lot about trading. A little bit about, trading. And then after that, there's a little bit more about trading. Talk about momentum trading. Mostly momentum trading. A lot of momentum trading talk. Other than that, mostly trading. A lot of trading talk. And a little bit of Pokemon cards at the end, Why don't you trade the ES? Because I trade the Nasdaq. Nasdaq working its way up there towards that 240 area now. 240 there from earlier where we broke down. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. 15-minute candle trying to push back up here or get above this previous 15-minute candle. We talked about this kind of like push back up into this 240 area, that last big 15-minute candle to the downside. Just to do a little recap here today. On the day, we got the opening range breakout, the 15-minute opening range breakout. We had the bear flag, this bear flag from pre-market right before the market opened. We talked about the idea of getting short there below the 470s. So from the 470s, look at that move down there too. Anybody still holding from the 470s? Oh my Lord. Oh my. I took, I think like 25 points on that move down and Could have got some more out of it. Could have got some more out of it. Whew. Oh, man. Waking up early. 5 a.m. here in Hawaii right now. And just kind of sitting back. Big move this morning. Big move this morning, people. This 15-minute candle kind of just closed right below that previous. So we could get this little squeeze right back up into that 240, 250 area now. We got back above the 21 EMA. Got back above the 21 EMA for now. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. The Bulls definitely want to kind of hold this. I don't think the Bulls, they don't want it below the 19,190s. Below 19,190s, the Bulls are in trouble here on this pushback up. So the key level right now, kind of that 190 level, if you're looking for those longs, I think below 190, we continue to sell back down. So the Dow looking pretty weak here. Nasdaq just holding on. That last candle got up to a high of 34s. Dipping it. Dipping it. I wouldn't sell unless we break below 190. I'd be looking, if you're looking to get short, I'd wait for that 190 break here. Good chance we kind of consolidate and just chop around and hit this level as well. For now, that 200, like 19,200 area there. Need to show the sellers are in control by getting it back below that 190s here, because this is still kind of just popping around here at that 19,200s. Just holding on. Just keep on holding on. For me. Yeah, just keep holding on. I'm going to the bathroom. Nasdaq going nowhere now. Not good for the bulls. The longer they hang out here, just stuck, better the chance the bears can sell it back down. If we break above 220, I think we get that long breakout, and if we start to sell down here, can take out this next low down there the 120s. There's that 190 test here. 190 is getting tested. The low of that candle was right there, 190. You got to get that break below 190s here for the move down. Watch that 190 area. They're battling 190s. See where this candle closes at. They're going to try to pop this back up here now. Still bouncing off that 190s. Possible like a little kind of just holding here tight right now. Holding this tight. Get this little pop straight up. The ES is trying to pop back up as well. This is the 2-minute chart. Looking at the 2-minute chart. See the 2 on the chart? That's 2 minutes. Going into lunchtime right now. The market just holding here. Holding for now. I think she wants to squeeze back up, at least like kind of test that 240 area here. but the bears just keep on holding it down. Getting real tight right here. Getting real tight right here, boys. Testing 190s again. Oh, Lord. If we get through the 210s, I think we break out there. So let's see what happens here. Through this 210 level. Still a possibility of dumping as well. So dipping below that 190 area again. $19,180. I'm just chopping around down here, 5-minute chart. They put in a higher low here. Trap or die. All right, once again, retesting that 19,200s. If they get this above the high, these little wicks, we should try to push back up here. There's a little wick test. A little wick test. Wick test. There's the breakout. Wiki. So there's your higher low for now. That was kind of the signal for this squeeze back up through these wicks. And now up there to the 225s. Best streamer in America. Patrick Wieland, the #1 streamer in America. Let's go. Patrick, in terms of taxes, is it better to trade personal account or funded? Yeah, it's not better to trade a funded account because you're getting paid as a 1099. So, guys, I'm gonna make it very clear. Top Step did not dump me. I want to make that very, very clear. At no point did they dump me. I left Top Step. I walked away from a very, 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 very large amount of money to leave Top Step because I did not want to be a part of the clown show that is Top Step TV. Top Step TV is literally a clown show. Top Step told me they'd give me my own segment on Top Step TV, and I said I do not want a segment on Top Step TV. Why would I want to be on the biggest clown show on the internet? If you remember, before Top Step TV started giving out free stuff every day, I had more people watching my live stream. So yes, why would I want to do that? Makes no sense. Like, you really think they fired me? Come on, people. They wanted me on the Top Step TV all the time when it first launched, and I never went on it. I literally tried my hardest to not go on it. And now, you know, oh, where the fuck? Now Michael Patak's over there. Like, now they're not going to do the head-to-head because they're all little bitches. What happened between you? I just said what happened. Top Step TV wants to be influencers. Michael Patak wants to be an influencer. You know? So let him be an influencer. That's not, you know, why would I? That's all good, but that's not me, buddy. Well, I don't want to be a part of that. Let's just... And the Nasdaq just chopping around down here at the lows. If you're sitting here right now and you're wondering what to do, what should you do? What should you do? Well, let's ask you. Let's just ask yourself. Ask yourself very, very simply. You know, what were you doing earlier when we had multiple beautiful breakdowns of the bear flags? You know, what were you doing earlier when the market was moving down there? So you guys are talking about each other at the same time. That's fine. Bernard. Oh, God. Okay. Bernard. Everybody knows everything about Patrick Wieland on the internet. Everyone's got all the answers and everything's all figured out. I know. It's all good. To be honest, when I first signed with Apex, they had no problems. Everybody was getting paid out and they had no problems. So I mean, you know, the first couple months it was great. So I like I've said before, I'm not going to keep sitting here defending Apex. Apex has a lot to change, a lot to work on. I've told them that. I've had multiple meetings with them and I've said, "Hey, like I'm tired of defending you guys and you guys are not actually delivering." So at this point, all Apex can do is deliver. You know, that's the only thing they can do. There's nothing else that can be said. There's nothing else that can be promised. The only thing that Apex can do at this point is just deliver. If they don't deliver, then they don't deliver. But talking about it and complaining about it, don't use Apex. If you don't like Apex, if you don't like the rules, don't use them then. I'm totally fine with that. There's plenty of other places to go. But as of right now, all I know is that Apex, what they've told me is that they're hiring more employees. They've doubled down on their servers. They're working on how to get their payouts to a point where they're getting approved within 48 hours. You know, supposedly they're doing stuff. So like I said, no promises. Again, I don't work for Apex. I don't own Apex. I have no idea what actually goes on at Apex other than what they've told me. And that's all they can do, you know. Michael, they did not request They did not request video proof of every trader. This is the whole video thing is insanity at this point. Everyone acts like every fucking trader got flagged. Not every single trader got flagged. There's been plenty of traders in my chat on Twitter who have gotten paid out, no problem, no issues. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I love the funny part is like people think it's like Apex is such a scam because they're requesting video proof. I mean, hey, if you're trading and you're a normal person and you have no like, what do you have to hide? What do you have to hide? You know, like what? Honestly, what do you have to hide? Like I don't get it. You know. Like I said, I don't use Apex, all right? Everybody, if you don't like it, don't use them. That's totally fine. You know, it's like, if you don't like it, don't use it. That's all you got to do. You know? God. Like, the fact that everyone sits here and cries and complains about Apex, it's like, well, if you don't like them, just don't use them. You know? Like, don't use them. That's the best part about it, you know? They're like Apex is not forcing you to trade with them. They're not telling you like, hey, you can only trade with us, nobody else. Tell them whatever. You know. I just requested an $8,000 payout with Take Profit Trader. I mean, I use other prop firms as well, so you know, do what you're gonna do. $8,000 payout requested and paid already with Take Profit Trader. So do what you're going to do, man. Use your own cash. Also, yeah, open your own brokerage. Hey, if you think you can trade and you've got all the answers and all the secrets, then use your own brokerage. Totally fine. Viking 88. Guys, like I said, you can sit here and you can think what you want all day and talk shit all you want, but like I said earlier, all that Apex can do now is just be better, right? That's all they can do. They can just do better, or maybe they don't do better. I really don't, you know. I cannot promise you either way. It's up to them to choose to do better. So does Apex require video proof of every trader? No. I know, but everybody comes in here and like gets mad at me about it. Like, Patrick, Apex is a scam. I'm like, okay, congratulations, you have an opinion. And there's somebody else out there who has an opinion that they don't, you know, that they like Apex. So it's up to you guys. Choose what you want. It's not my problem. Once you start becoming profitable, Apex stops paying you. Oh my God. Yes. The minute that you start becoming profitable, Apex doesn't pay you. That's exactly what they do. They actually have a rule. It says, if you are profitable, we don't pay you. That makes no fucking sense. That literally makes no fucking sense. Lanto has been denied so many times. He got paid out over $300,000. He literally got paid out over $300,000. What are you talking about? I can't. I'm just not going to respond. From now on, if you have a problem with Apex, it's not my fucking issue. So don't cry to me about it. All right? I don't care. If you think Apex is a scam, I literally don't give a fuck. I'm over it. I'm at this point. It's just like beating a dead horse. God. Right now, the Nasdaq just sitting down here at the 170s. Another little bear flag here on the 2-minute chart. Will she break through the lows here? If we look at the bigger picture, what do we got in terms of this? Got that low back there from that. That's that Wednesday, the 28th low down there at the 140s. We still have not broken through that, but you can see the market clearly kind of on a path to get there. So. What's crazy too is if you look at how like this thing really was setting up for a while here for this move. Just really setting up there, weren't they? Started setting this move up since Thursday, Friday, Monday, Labor Day, and then bam, dropped it right on down into there, didn't they? Them boys dropped it right on down on that. They put it right on that right there. Yes, sir. Put it right on the money. It's a conspiracy. All right, Nasdaq, will you take out the 140s here next? Ding, 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 ding. Nasdaq just sitting down here at the lows, getting very, very, very tight. We got that 140 area just sitting down there, like we said, from back in August now. Inverted cup and handle. It's an inverted cup and handle here. Patrick, this is all I have to ask. If a trader doesn't break any rules and requests a payout and gets denied still, how do you think people will react? Hey, if you didn't break any rules, then why'd you get denied? I don't, there's something, you did something. Something happened. Something had to have happened to get denied. And it's not, oh, I didn't do anything. No, you did something. Something had to happen. Nasdaq just sitting down here at the 160s at the low of day. Wondering now, will we take out the 140 low from back there in the middle of last week? It's the final push down. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Boo-doo! like that. It's the final countdown. Nasdaq said, hold my beer, boys. We're going to Chop Chop City. All right, all right. Looking weak here. Looking weak. Looking weak. $140s. $140s. That low from that big old candle there. That 130 area. No power hour today. I'm in Hawaii. I'm going on a plane. I'm flying to Kona. I will not be live for the rest of the week. So no more lives for the rest of the week. I'm going fishing. So hopefully you guys can survive without me. Market is holding on down there at the lows. Holding on down there at the lows for now. All right. I think it's time to go for a walk down the beach here in Hawaii. Markets kind of found I think the extent of the range for today. We had a big move down there at open, and now I'm just kind of chopping around here and sitting down there at the lows. So good time to walk away here and live to fight another day. Like I said, it will not be live the rest of the week. If you guys enjoy these streams, though, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. We're here. We're doing it. And yeah, if you got a little bit of time this week, might be a good time to invest $200. You know, $200. If you're struggling, check out the new course. You're on the wrong side of the moves. You don't know how to find the momentum. You're getting blown up. If that's your problem over and over, well, you might have a problem identifying the momentum. So today we had a just kind of textbook bearish momentum type of day. We had multiple bear flag breakdown. That bear flag from the morning move at open was just absolutely beautiful. We had the 15-minute opening range breakout as well. You can see that first 15-minute candle. It closes there at 9:45. And well, as you see, we turned it into resistance, ding, 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 and started moving on down there. So from that 15-minute opening range break all the way down there, you're looking at about 150 points or so. 150 points on that move down after the 15-minute opening range. So there it is. There it is. Not bad, not bad. So big thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll look forward to seeing you all next week, next Monday, hopefully. Honestly, hopefully I'm not here next Monday, because if I'm not here next Monday, that probably means that I won the tournament and I partied all night Sunday night. So, you know, hopefully I'm coming back to Oahu with like a big bag of cash and a big trophy. So we'll see. So there it is. All right. Peace to the Middle East.